Assalamualaikum viewers, we are going to run Yaskawa A1000 VFD 45 kilowatt keypad mode. First of all, we should on local mode. After on, the LED will blinking. Then we have to go quick setting, then press enter. And now we are going to throw pressing B101 equal set 0. That will help to set frequency reference from digital keypad. Now we should set B102 equal 0, which is used for run command. After setting, we back from the keypad pressing escape button. Now we'll start run from digital keypad and stop the VFD. Now we test the VFD with motor run. Then the result and our output fulfill our expectation and VFD running motor.